Okay, for the first video, we're going to work on this bicycle. My son got this bike from his grandmother for his birthday. There's nothing wrong with the bike, but the problem is that my son's hand can't reach the lever, the brake lever. The problem is that my son's hand is a little too small to reach the lever. It's not quite comfortable enough for him. Now, there is a screw, an adjustment screw specifically for that purpose. The problem is, if you adjust it too much, it actually engages the brake. And the amount of adjustment that we can get out of it is not really comfortable for him, so we're going to remake it. So here's the brake handlebar. I can 3D scan it, but I'm going to try something a little simpler still. What I'm going to use instead is a frame by a company called Shaper Trace. Basically, you put a piece of paper, your part, and with the app, you scan this frame and it'll give you an outline.
So when you run the app, it traces the image and creates an SVG file, which is a vector file. We can then import that into Inkscape and convert it into a DXF for SolidWorks. So next, fire up Inkscape. It is now a vector file. All I have to do is save as DXF and import it into SolidWorks. Okay, so all we do now is open the DXF in SolidWorks. It comes in as a vector, as you can see. I draw a second drawing on top of it. This is just a rough drawing. I'm not looking for complete accuracy. I'm just doing a rough sketch just to show the basic idea. I only took one reference dimension. With the caliper, and then I'm just doing a quick trace basically. I'll have the full modeling on a separate video. I'm not looking to make it a perfect copy. I'm just looking to basically have a rough estimate of the initial geometry so that I can modify it to what I'm trying to do. The handle is a little bit wider than my reference measurement. That's because the software captured some shadows, which gave it some perspective and ruined the geometry a little bit. If I really wanted to do an accurate scan, I would just get some better lighting and do it again until I got a more accurate measurement. Our outline in this case. The most important part really is this diameter on the bottom. This is the hinge. This is where it's pivoting from, and then this diameter where the cable attaches, or the eyelet attaches to the cable. Here's my model based off my quick and dirty drawings and measurements. As you can see, it's not finished at all. All I need this is for reference, so that I could see the before and after position, original position, the new handle in comparison to the old, and the closed position of the new handle.
So mine came out a little thicker on the bottom radius. I believe is because of perspective from the software. In this project, my goal wasn't so much to get it exactly identical. I was just trying to do a quick CAD mock-up for my son's bicycle. I'm not sure if it'll affect anything, but let's find out. I have to take out this rivet and put it in here so that it'll hold on to the cable.
Also, always wear eye protection. No exceptions. All right, let's drill out the eyelet so we can transfer it to the print. Always wear eye protection. I weakened the rivet with the drill, and it just popped right off with a little bit of pressure with the flathead.
So let's install the rivet. This might actually be too long. All right, here it is installed. Looks pretty good. It does stick out some. I think I can cut some off of it, so I use some wire cutters to just nip a little bit off it. There's a little spring hole that I forgot to model for this little torsion spring, so I'm just gonna drill it out.
And by the way, this was made with ABS from a company called Zyletech. Now, it wasn't made with this wimpy roll. It was made with their giant 5 kilogram Texas roll. Okay, here's the brake handle installed. Let's see if he likes it. Go ahead, try it. Can you reach?
Yeah.
Is it easier?
Yeah.
All right, let's go for a ride. So the brake handle is complete. My son says it works for him. I did have to use the screw and move it forward just a tad. So that was a quick little project. Hope you guys liked it. Thank you. Bye.